My customer came to me with these two bikes, some interesting issues on them, and I was supposed to make a tutorial on how to inspect mountain bike and a road bike when this came. Well, this shipment was supposed to come way earlier, like last week or even week before that, and I'm racing on this bike in about 40 hours or so. Today is late night on Thursday, and Saturday 12 a.m. I'm racing on cobblestones and gravel 52 kilometers on this bike. So this is kind of last minute. I will install all the components and do the bike fit later on. And now I'm going to tell you about this race. It's 52k, 4 laps, every year same exact race. In 2022 my time was 1 hour 59 minutes. In 2023 my time was 1 hour 43 minutes, so I improved by 16 minutes. 2024, another 10 minutes cut from that time, and my time was 1:33. Last year, 2025, I was really working hard in China for weeks, and I came back home couple of weeks before the race. I couldn't train too much because I was sick. I went for the race. I did my PR on the first loop, just half of it, and then I just DNF'd. I couldn't breathe. So this year I had nice streak of training. I already had 3 races this year on the snow and the snowy conditions, and so I'm excited to race in less than 2 days. This is Canyon Grail SLX CF. It's not an advertisement, it's not a product placement. I borrowed this bike from Polish marketing of Canyon. We'll see what happens to the bike, but most likely it will be back with Canyon in May. So I'm gonna race this race on this bike and then maybe to do some trainings and the review for you. 52 kilometers. I need to ride my bike with an average speed of about 35-36 kilometers per hour, and my average power for that time should be just around 260, maybe 270 watts, so we'll see. 2 years before, when I did my record, it was 1 hour 33, I did 245 watts for 1.5 hours, and I feel stronger. I overdid my training a little bit for the last couple of weeks, but the last week, the week before now, I was mostly doing recovery rides, not too long, maybe 1 hour, and then some really short VO2 max workouts. So I feel pretty well, and this bike looks fast. Now, 2024, when I did my PR, I rode Merida Sculptura on 30C tires. It was risky in terms of punctures, but the bike was fast, and Merida Sculptura is really flexible, it's really compliant. I actually felt really good on that bike 2 years ago. Last year when I DNF'd, I had my Winspace SLC3 on 6-spoke carbon wheels and 32C tires, and I loved it for that half loop. And we'll see what happens this year. So now I'm gonna go into my turbo trainer and fit the bike. How do you like the look? And guys, wish me good luck. See you soon. Bye bye.